what's up? It's Makeup Jackie Love, and I am finally making a YouTube video. I know I said that I was gonna make some on my 30-day hiatus on Instagram, but you know, I didn't do that. I started a new job. I started training for that job, then I started working at the new job. I quit my salon job, so it's been kind of crazy. But today I filmed a video on how to put on this Bellamy lace front blonde short wig, and if you guys want to see kind of how I customized it and how I like to style it by, you know, doing the most but not doing a lot, keep on watching. So before I get started, I do want to say a couple of things do come in the package that you get the wig in. It comes with a little wig holder, doll-like head, and then you can put the wig on there after. It comes with a brush. Let me see. It comes with a brush. This one has hair in it because I was obviously using it. And then it also comes with a little bag. It's a silk bag. That way, if you want to ever travel with your wig, you can put the wig in here and it's good to go. It won't really get tangled. It'll kind of stay really soft and you won't have to really worry about it getting damaged. I did forget to mention that it does come with a wig cap as well. So if you have short hair like I do, you can see I'm just tucking my hair underneath. And then I am slicking the cap back all the way to make my hair smooth. If you do have longer hair, I do suggest you do 2 braids down the middle and then pin them so that your hair is flat, and then putting the wig cap on. And then that way it'll make the flattest surface so that your wig sets flat. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to grab your wig. So a brush comes in the package like this. And I'm going to use the brush in it to brush the wig. The lace that's in the front, we're going to cut off. So about 1.5 inches, 2 inches of lace right here. The inside looks like this. You have 2 combs right here where you're going to apply it and then clip it in, kind of like how you would extensions. And then there is a band that you can use, and it'll go right here in the back and it'll help it make sure it's secure. Sorry, sometimes I twist over my words. And then there are these extra pieces of elastic to tighten the band. If the head is too big or too small, you can adjust it right there. Normally what I do is I always put it on the end and then this end on the opposite end as well, because my head is really small. It's not really small, but the wig caps always seem to be bigger than my head itself. So then it just makes it fit more tightly on me, and then make sure that it doesn't move throughout the day. I'm gonna grab a little pair of scissors and I'm gonna start cutting the lace. You don't want super big scissors, only because you don't want to end up cutting the real hair. So I'm just going to make a slit. So I'm just gonna cut the lace down the middle, getting as close to the hairline as I can, but without cutting off any of the hair or my finger. Make sure that none of it gets cut off. And again, you won't really cut it like how I am. I'm just doing this to show you guys. I have this side of the lace cut off. I'll show you guys the difference between what it looks like. So this is without the lace. You can see this has lace and what it looks like, and then what it looks like without the lace. So I'm just going to cut this side of the lace off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I have trimmed the lace off of both sides now. So it looks like this. You guys can kind of see. The lace is just underneath. None of it is sticking out. So that way when we put it on, you won't see anything right here. So this next part is completely up to you. You don't have to do this. The wig is ready to wear once you take the lace off, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of customize the hairline just a little bit more. I'm just going to pluck a little bit more right here into the part, and then just a little bit on the outside, and create a little bit of edges, since you know my hair is not blonde, it is black pretty much. So I'm just going to put it on. I adjusted the little straps to my size. What you're going to do is you're just going to grab the strap. This strap is removable if you want to, so you can just take it off. But I like to choose to wear it on. So I'm just going to put this on the back of my head. I'm going to bring the back and pull back. And then I'm going to flip the hair. And then pull it forward. Pull it forward. And for me, let me see. I don't like a middle part. I don't like a middle part on me, so I'm going to pull it to the side. And then underneath, I'm going to grab the little clip, this clip right here, and I'm going to pull it into my regular hair onto the wig cap, and then I'm going to clip it, and then pull my ear out. And then again with this side, I'm going to grab the clip and then clip it in like if it was an extension. And then that is secure. I'm going to brush it. And then like I said, this part for me, just I would like it to be wider. So I'm just going to grab a little mirror and I'm going to pluck from it and then make the part a little bit wider. So I'll grab a hair and pull it from the root. Try not to rip the lace. You can just pull from the root. Little hairs on the side, just to create a deeper part. Some of the hairs will kind of go a little crazy. And we could be together, baby. So you can already kind of tell. I just pulled maybe like 6 or 7 hairs from right here, and it already is starting to look much more natural for me. And I'm just going to keep pulling. You guys can kind of see I'm pulling out real hair. I'm pulling it from the root. Trying not to tear the lace. Just to deepen the part. And again, you don't have to do this. I just like to do this to my wigs to make it look a little bit more natural and to make it look like it's actually growing from my hair. Wait, that didn't make sense. To make it look like it actually is growing from my head. Okay, so with my nail, I'm going to kind of section this off right here. I'm going to pull this. I'm going to pull this back. Okay, so with one of my Bellamy clips, I'm going to clip a piece of my hair back. I'm going to kind of comb it with an eyebrow brush. And I'm going to section it. And then with a facial eyebrow comb razor, I'm going to kind of thin it out. See? It cuts like that. And then I'm going to do a little bit more. Just thinning it out from short to long. I kind of want these pieces in the front to be shorter just so that they look like baby hair. Again, growing from your head. You can section it off with the bottom of the comb and just part it. And then just razor it down. And then I'm gonna make bangs. Just because for me, I don't really necessarily like this to be all one length. So I'm gonna section off about this much. And then I'm not gonna make them too dramatic, but I'm just gonna kind of razor away. This is all for personal preference. You don't have to do this. I just like to do this because I like my hair to have bangs and kind of a shape to it, I guess you can say. And then if you notice, I kind of pull my head against the razor while I'm going down. That way it gets a more kind of layery look. And then you can already kind of see the difference. And then I'm going to repeat it on this side as well, just creating kind of side bangs. And then I brush through it each couple of swipes, just so that way nothing is getting damaged or anything that I don't want cut off is getting cut off. And then right here, I'm just gonna create sideburns.
Then we burned it to the ground, and we could be together, baby. But I oh, we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer,
So I kind of wanted to look like baby hairs are coming out. Do you guys kind of see how that is? Let me take another piece. I'm just gonna trim it. See, already this looks way more realistic than if it was not kind of customized. I'm just going to brush it back. I really have been feeling the half up, half down style with this kind of look. Kim K looks beautiful with her hair down, but for me, I really like my hair half up, half down, especially when it's short like this. I don't always necessarily like it to be completely straight. And then you can customize this however you want it. And then I'm just gonna tie it. You can even do a bun if you want. If you want to cut your wig any shorter, you can. I probably will cut it a little bit shorter just because I'm used to having either like super short hair or super long hair. I'm not used to really having it happy medium. If you guys have noticed, like I've been like brushing it out a lot because I keep expecting for it to be a little bit longer, but it's not. So I still feel kind of weird about it. Then I'm just going to take a bobby pin and pin it. You guys kind of saw what I did there. I just wrapped it around. And then I kind of like it messy. So that's it. This is how I put on my belly wig and how I like to customize it. Again, you don't have to be bad and bougie with all the extras. You really can just cut off the lace and it's perfectly ready to wear. But since, you know, I like to be a little bit difficult sometimes, I wanted to cut some bang and add a little bit of baby hairs and then deepen the part just a little bit. But I hope you guys like it. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below what you guys thought about it, what you guys think I should work on, what kind of videos you guys want to see up next. If you guys want to see more wig videos on how I install wigs and then let them be in and right and tight for about a week or two, I can definitely make a video on that. And if you guys want to see more hairstyling videos, etc., let me know in the comment section down below. Go follow my Instagram and Snapchat. I'm very active on those now that I do have my Instagram back. I'm DMing you guys and I am more active on my stories and on the page itself. And I will leave all the links down below. Again, if you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.